Yo everybody, what's up? Welcome to another brand new video. This is your boy here, Israad from Israad Visuals. And today's video, what I wanna teach you is how to make cinematic text. Basically, most of beginners create text like this, and others create text like this. Well, I was once a victim in creating text like that in Premiere Pro, trying to like just put the template in the Premiere Pro provided. So what I want to actually teach you in this video is how to think cinematically when you are creating text in Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's see the intro. So what I want to actually tell you, one secret that I want to tell you guys is when you're creating text, when you're creating video, when you're creating anything concerning video, what I want to tell you guys is just you have to think cinematically. Think as if this text that you are creating right now is going to be viewed in cinema. In that way, you will be thinking cinematically. Yo everybody, I'm right here in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. All you need to do is go to new title and just name it cinematic. Once you name that, whatever resolution you want, I just want that one. So this is where your creativity comes from, okay? This is where you guys show how cinematic you are. So what you want to do is just type a text, okay? Cinematic right there. So when you're getting started on Premiere Pro, you like using this trash, right? Am I right? I think I'm right, because even me, I'm a victim. I used to use this kind of trash. I don't even know why Premiere Pro has to provide this kind of ugly text. So this is what we're gonna do. Once you create this thing, just place it on the center. Make sure it's on the center. So this is what you want to do, okay? I think I found this font that it actually comes with Premiere, okay? It starts with something like lay, something like that. Yep, I think I got it. Kapoof, that one. So what we need to do again is just adjust the size. The smaller your text, the more cinematic it looks, but don't make it too small that it cannot be seen, okay? No, I don't want that one. Just make it something like there, like 40 maybe. Yeah, like that. That one's good. Place it at the center again. Place at the center, somewhere there, I think. And so what we actually, now it looks a little bit more good than the trash cans that I was showing you. And the next thing that you need to do is we wanna expand this text. We don't want it to look like this, okay? We just wanna like a more readable text, I don't even know how you understand it, but let me tell you this. I have this secret. It's called tracking. It's also called leading, by the way. I don't even know why they have to put two options in the same place. So this is what you're gonna do. Expand this tracking thing, expanding like that so that it looks more cinematic, I guess. And kapoof. At least now it's looking more organic. At least now it's like way cinematic, right? So that's the only thing you need to do. That is for today's, guys. If this tutorial helped you in any way, please subscribe down below. It only takes 1 second. It's just one click, boom, you subscribe, and you will be notified on the future videos that I will be uploading. Give me a like, comment down below of what you think about this video, or give me a suggestion of the next video, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom.